Welcome to the Explainer. Okay, what if I told you that you could create a whole song, I'm talking lyrics, music, vocals, the works, just by typing a single sentence? Sounds kind of futuristic, right? Well, today, we're going to break down exactly how AI is making that a reality, turning a simple idea into a completely finished track.
So let's just jump right in with a big question here. Can an AI really do it all? Can it write, compose, and even sing a complete song entirely from scratch? And when I say everything, I mean everything. The words, the tune, even the voice you hear.
Take a look at this. These lyrics translate to, "I have been held in your eyes." It's the start of a pretty beautiful romantic song, right? Well, get this. An AI wrote them. No human songwriter involved. And believe it or not, that's just the beginning of this whole story.
Okay, so how does this actually work? How do you go from a blank screen to a finished song? Well, it all starts with the words. You gotta have the lyrics first, right? That's the soul of the song. The source we're looking at breaks this whole thing down into a surprisingly simple two-tool process. First, you use a language AI to come up with the lyrics. Then, step 2, you take those lyrics and pop them into a music AI to create the actual track. Easy enough, right? For that first part, the lyrics, the creator turned to a tool you've probably heard of, ChatGPT. I mean, it's an AI language model, so its whole job is to generate text that sounds like a human wrote it. That makes it pretty much perfect for something creative like songwriting. And this right here, this was the exact prompt they used. That's it. Look how simple that is. Write me lyrics for a Hindi romantic song like Arijit Singh. There's no complex code, no crazy instructions, just a simple creative request. Anyone could do that.
All right, so we've got our lyrics. They're ready to go. Now for the really cool part. Turning those words into actual music.
To do that, the source points to a tool called Suno AI. And this thing is built for exactly this purpose. It's a platform that literally creates a full song. I'm talking vocals, instruments, the whole shebang, just from the text you feed it.
And using it is super straightforward. You just take the lyrics you got from ChatGPT, paste them right in, and then you just have to describe the style of music you're going for. That's it.
Now, this is a really interesting little pro tip from the source. They say it's best to avoid using a specific artist's name in your style prompt. So instead of saying like Arijit Singh, you just say something broader like Bollywood romantic. Apparently, this helps the AI a lot, gives it clearer direction, and helps you avoid any weird issues or something that sounds too much like a copy. Okay, so the lyrics went in, the style prompt went in. What actually came out on the other side? Time for the big reveal. And this is what's so amazing. The AI did everything. It wrote the lyrics, it composed all the music, it even performed the vocals and mixed the final track. It's like a complete one-stop shop for making a song. And get this, the AI didn't just spit out one song. It actually gave back 2 different variations based on that one prompt. So you actually get options to choose from. The source says both of them were really good too.
So this is more than just a cool tech trick, right? What does all this really mean for us? This idea of the democratization of music, why does that even matter?
Well, the big takeaway here is that AI is just a new tool for your creativity. It's not about replacing artists. Think of it more like a powerful creative partner that can help anyone, and I mean anyone, bring their ideas to life way faster than they ever could before. So there you have it. We've gone from a single sentence to a fully finished song, all thanks to AI. It's pretty clear this technology is becoming super accessible to everyone. Which really just leaves us with one big question, right? Now that the barriers to making music are lower than they've ever been, what's the first thing you're gonna create?